number. Is it recording?
Yeah. It is now.
It's calling.
Oh my god. We're prank calling someone, by the way.
It's prank calling.
Your call has been forwarded.
Yeah, you did it!
Why does he never pick up?
No, he's pressed ignore. So he's gonna listen to it.
When you have finished recording,
Ready?
you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
That was terrible. What's Tina's number?
Tina's?
Yeah, do you remember Tina's number?
Yeah, it's like 19... it's the 17176391969, I think. It's either the 69 or 64, but I don't know.
1969.
No, it's Isaac's number. I mean, oh fuck.
Look on your phone and see what you have for Isaac's number, and I'll call it.
Okay, well I have to stop.